Have you ever imagined yourself as the cocktail master, capable of surprising your friends and family with incredible drinks on every occasion? Now you can. We present the ebook Drinks for Everyone, created by a professional bartender from Florianópolis, Brazil. With over 60 authentic cocktail recipes, professional mixology tips, and bartending tricks, this ebook is your complete guide to becoming the master of the bar in your own home. From refined classics to modern innovations, each recipe is carefully crafted to impress and captivate, and the best of all, you can do all of this in the comfort of your own home without having to spend a fortune in bars and restaurants. So, don't wait any longer. Get the Drinks for Everyone ebook now and start your journey to becoming the star bartender in your class. Click on the link below and take the first step towards creating unforgettable moments around the counter.
Never gonna clock me.